we're in a sort of a hotbed of like-minded businesses. So, what we're doing now is not super unique, and we can continue to sort of learn and grow from partners around the community. The other advantages tend to be because when we sort of need to bring people on and hire folks, there's a lot of folks in Vermont, in the Burlington area and surrounding areas, want to more and more work for businesses who are doing things in a different way and are doing things in a responsible way. So that helps us from our recruiting and our retention standpoint. Challenges, there's many. It's expensive to do business in Vermont. We're trucking product all across the country. Vermont is not an easy freight lane. So especially as, post-pandemic and driver shortages and trucking shortages, that's only exacerbating it, but that's always been a challenge versus if we had a hub in Chicago or certain areas that are more on that route, on those routes. And yeah, I think those were some of the major ones.
Yeah, I would just say that's what I like about a family business. I don't have anybody telling us that we should open a place in Chicago. I don't want to open a place in Chicago. Why? Because I didn't want to travel that much. So, I've been fortunate to have Rhino last this long, right? So it's been allowed me to have the lifestyle I want for myself and my family. It doesn't always work that way. Quite frankly, it most of the time doesn't work that way. But certainly we've limited the business in many ways, but we've done it because we want to remain family owned. We don't want venture capital. We don't want to, what's important to us is not how big we are, it's how good we are. So that's a lot different than a lot of people that run their businesses.